And now Five Guys and everywhere else is Lindo Snacks. They eat your world. Reviews from the pro himself. You gotta level it.
Hello everyone, welcome to Lindo Snacks. It's Dracula. Today I have a new treat for you. Ha ha ha. At Dairy Queen they do the blizzard every year where they put the pumpkin pie in the blizzard. You see it's the blizzard, it don't fall down. Don't fall down, it's a blizzard. The pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. It sounds more like a Borat, but it's okay. Dairy Queen, seasonal pumpkin pie blizzard. It's a Dairy Queen seasonal pumpkin pie blizzard. Lindo Snacks. Cheers to you. It's pretty good. It tastes like a pumpkin pie and ice cream. And the whipped cream on top, It's pretty good. It's not as good as blood, but it's okay. I take my fangs out to eat the blizzard. Don't judge me. One more bite. It's okay, not as good as fresh human blood, but for nice winter treat, it's okay. I give this 3 or 5 chunks, more or less. The Dairy Queen pumpkin pie blizzard. Thanks for watching. This is the last episode for Halloween. Maybe not. We'll see you in the future. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified. And keep watching Lindo Snacks. Have a good night. I'll see you in hell. Cool.